2, let's get fucking crack-a-lackin'. Being a pansexual, I find it really hard to resist. Yeah. You're my favorite. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between. Well, the city is a shopping cart. I'm bringing sexy back, yeah? Kiss me on the mouth and set me free. Sing me like a choir. I can be the subject of your dreams. A sickening desire. Don't you want to see a man up close? A phoenix in the fire. So kiss me on the mouth and set me free. But please don't bite. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me. I don't actually know the words. Don't kill. This isn't the right rule. When you know Beyonce is queen, but you don't know enough of the lyrics. It's much harder doing the dishwasher with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other. Really, just a train wreck. Just a fucking mess. So my sister had to ask me if I was okay, and I just showed her my screen, and then she was like, oh, okay. Ooh, Activia, how healthy of you, Bridget. Yeah, this is chocolate wrappers. Caramel cup chocolate wrappers. Slay me first round done, queen. Let's get crack-a-fucking-lackin'. Don't you wanna see a man up close? A phoenix in the fire. What the fuck is this? I am music. That's actually probably really dangerous. I probably shouldn't do that. Fuck. Where you at, fandom? Where you at, Tyler Oakley? I know I make the stupidest jokes on here, but like, why the fuck not? Like, really? I'm just gonna show you just what happened. Smooth. Dun-na, 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 dun-na.